up, everyone? Today we're taking this beast straight into the muddiest road you've ever seen. Deep ruts, slippery slopes, and pure trucking power. Stick around, because this journey is about to get wild. This is where the real journey begins. Welcome to the Mud Zone. In regions like Indonesia, Nepal, and parts of Africa, more than 40% of rural supply routes turn impassable during the rainy season. Yet, drivers still take the risk because for many remote communities, these trucks are the only link to food, fuel, and medicine. Greater than a fully loaded cargo truck can weigh over 20 tons. On muddy grades, that's enough force to tear tires from their rims or snap axles clean in half. Every climb becomes a test of balance, torque, and instinct. Greater than brake failure is one of the leading causes of accidents on unpaved mountain roads. Drivers depend on engine braking, controlling weight with precision, because one slip could send 40,000 pounds of cargo sliding off the edge. Greater than during the monsoon months, some routes see trucks stranded for days in mud pits several feet deep. Locals often build makeshift bridges with logs and rocks just to pull a single vehicle free. Every year, thousands of truckers cross roads like these, hauling food, fuel, and survival itself. They face landslides, floods, and mechanical failure, but they keep driving, because behind every delivery is a community that depends on them.
Berapi. Aduh. Masih pagi lagi.
Pandai jalan. Naik banan. Pandai.
Oh.
Apa tanah hutan?
Sebentar aja bosku ya dievakuasi karena dibantu juga. Op. Op, op. Walah, wow. Wih, war. Alat berat jadi remuk. Biasanya tarik kamu itu.
Tapi kan harus dibikin itu tuh. Coba lagi nih, udah pasal jauh udah.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Astagfirullahaladzim. Sopir ah. Woi, matikan. Woi, kau mati. Matikan. Mesin. Engine mounting. Runway. Runway. Insiden beruntung bosku. Sopir. Awas Bu. Awas ya Lukman. Awas. Supirnya.
Ada surat info kita kok. Ada surat info. Turun ni kalah.
Happy. Harus happy.
Orang dua hari.
Allah.
Muncul.
Oke guys, oke. HDL bro, HDL bro. Ya, lembu yang HDL tidak naik. Oke guys. Ini Denny. Inilah Batu Jomba guys.
Across the world, over 70% of rural roads are unpaved. Dirt, gravel, or clay. When the rain hits, they turn into mud traps that swallow vehicles whole. In countries like Indonesia, Myanmar, and Congo, truck drivers call them the living roads because the ground moves beneath your wheels. Greater than muddy road truckers are not ordinary drivers. They are engineers, mechanics, and risk takers in one. Many learn to drive without GPS, without radios, and often without help. They rely on pure instinct, feeling every vibration through the steering wheel, reading the mud like a map. Most of these trucks carry essential supplies: food, timber, fuel, construction materials. For isolated mountain villages, a single delivery can sustain hundreds of people for weeks. When one truck gets stuck, sometimes an entire region waits. Greater than mud isn't just dirt. It's a mix of clay, sand, and decomposed leaves that traps air and water. The deeper the tire sinks, the stronger the suction. A fully loaded cargo truck can require up to 10 tons of pulling force to escape a single mud pie. Truckers prepare by carrying chains, planks, and shovels. Tools of survival, not convenience. Many also travel in small convoys because alone, a breakdown could mean being stranded overnight in the rain with no signal and no help for miles. Every year, hundreds of trucks are lost on these roads, overturned, swallowed by floods, or abandoned when the mud wins. Yet, for every wreck left behind, another driver steps up to take the risk again. It's not recklessness, it's duty. Greater than driving in mud isn't about speed, it's about patience. A 40-kilometer journey that takes an hour on a highway can take an entire day in these conditions. Some drivers eat, rest, and sleep inside their cabs, never turning off the engine for fear it won't start again. Greater than most trucks on muddy routes are modified by hand. Raised suspensions, reinforced chassis, and extra-wide tires. Mechanics in local villages often build parts from scrap metal. Every truck becomes unique, a reflection of its driver's creativity and survival instincts. Greater than many muddy mountain roads run through regions without electricity, hospitals, or rescue services. When it rains, rivers rise and bridges vanish. A trucker caught between two landslides is completely on his own, surrounded by jungle, silence, and the ticking sound of cooling metal. Greater than to outsiders, it looks like chaos. But to those who live by the road, it's a rhythm of survival. Every struggle, every spin of the wheel is proof of the driver's resilience. The mud might slow them down, but it never stops them.
Membrit. Hop, hop, hop. Oh, 2 kali pagi ini udah. Akhirnya memilih ditarik ya bosku. Ini nyaris ini meluncur tadi ya. Setirnya.
Jangan kau ganyakan dia berada.
Wah, ini terlalu nekat ini. Harusnya kalau diesel yang bawa ini. Keren banget. Ibu-ibu.
Tanjal Johan, tata.
Awas! Awas! Awas!
Lurus.
Meluncur bah. Jadi ganjal. Oh, muatan kerbau. Dicoba lagi bosku.
dalam.
That was one crazy ride. The mud, the struggle, the sound of the engine. That's what trucking is all about. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more muddy road adventures. Thanks for watching. And remember, no road is too tough when you keep on driving.